This video presentation is about algal bloom, or more commonly known as red tide. Introduction, organisms causing it, environmental conditions, effects of the said phenomenon, and actions that are being taken in order to combat the said effects. I am Sydney Kalika, and this video presentation is submitted in partial fulfillment of the requirements in ENS 201 this first semester of the current academic year. Phytoplankton have pigments that are responsible for their colors and, of course, for photosynthesis. They are a source of food for jellyfish, turtles, whales, shrimps, and other aquatic organisms. Two main classes of phytoplankton are diatoms and dinoflagellates. Both have shells but differ in composition. Ocean currents are responsible for diatom movement, while dinoflagellates have flagella. Sunlight intensity, water temperature, salinity, and amount of nutrients such as phosphorus, sulfur, phosphate, nitrates, nitrites are some of the conditions that make environments favorable or unfavorable for algal blooms. Red tides are not always red. It has three types: red, brown, and green. However, the focus of this presentation is only on green and red tides. This phenomenon, depending on what species of dinoflagellates is or are present, varies in color. For red tide, the dinoflagellate species have peridinin pigment which is reddish in color. Alexandrium catenella and Pyrodinium bahamense are some of the red tide causing species. On the other hand, microalgae such as Codium ismocladum and Enteromorpha cause green tide. For example, the red tide that is currently happening in Florida, USA is caused by Karenia brevis, which releases brevetoxins that, when ingested by wildlife such as turtles, cause them to lose coordination and could eventually result in paralysis. As for humans, upon ingestion of shellfish, which are filter feeders, different types of poisoning could happen. Scientists and researchers continue on finding ways on how we could control or even prevent red tide from happening. Ozonation and introduction of competing algae are some of those. Young people such as yourselves could also help. Remember to throw your garbage in designated areas, as garbage could also increase food source for dinoflagellates.